Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be looking at two popular drones in the market, the Mini Drone and the CuteAnt Drones. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to drones, having a good camera is essential for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. The Mini Drone comes equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that can be manually adjusted up to 90 degrees. This allows you to capture better views and share them easily on social media. On the other hand, the CuteAnt Drones also feature a 1080p HD camera with manual lens adjustment. It offers smooth transmission through Wi-Fi and allows you to enjoy FPV mode on the app. You can also share your fun moments with friends and family. Flight time and safety are important factors to consider when choosing a drone. The Mini Drone comes with two rechargeable batteries that provide a total flying time of 18 to 21 minutes. It also features safety measures like low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. Similarly, the CuteAnt Drones come with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you a longer flying time of up to 30 minutes. It also includes 4 propeller guards and 8 spare propeller blades for added safety. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for easy transportation. User-friendly features can greatly enhance your drone flying experience, especially if you're a beginner. The Mini Drone offers multiple fun flight modes including 3D flips and the ability to draw a flight path on your smartphone. It also has voice and gesture control, making it easy to operate. Similarly, the CuteAnt Drones are perfect for beginners with features like one-touch takeoff landing, altitude hold mode, and headless mode. It also offers gesture control and other fun features like 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. Based on online reviews, the Mini Drone is praised for its easy control and enjoyable camera option, making it popular among young drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the CuteAnt Drones are highly recommended for beginners due to their user-friendly features and stable flight. Overall, both drones have their own strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Mini Drone and the CuteAnt Drones. Both drones have their own strengths, but it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember to consider factors like camera quality, flight time, safety features, and user-friendly options when making your decision. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.